Most side hustle advice on the internet is completely broken. You've probably seen the videos telling you to take 3-cent online surveys, spend hundreds of hours dropshipping cheap plastic trinkets, or compete with millions of people on freelancing sites for $5 an hour. The truth is, those mainstream side hustles are overcrowded, underpaid, and exhaust your time for very little reward. If you want to actually make serious money, we are talking $50 to $100 an hour or more. You have to look where almost nobody else is looking. You need to target high-demand, hyperlocal services with low startup costs, minimal competition, and high perceived value. In this video, we are breaking down 5 obscure side hustles that can realistically earn you $100 an hour and exactly how to execute each one. Side hustle number 1 is the mobile auto detailing. Most people think car washing is a low-margin $5 chore, but mobile auto detailing is a completely different game. Vehicle owners spend tens of thousands of dollars on their cars, and they care deeply about keeping them clean and protected. The problem is, taking a car to a shop, waiting in line, and losing 2 hours of a weekend is a massive inconvenience. By bringing the service directly to their driveway, you instantly create a high-convenience, premium product. With basic equipment, a pressure washer, a wet vac, carpet extractor, and quality microfiber towels, you can start for under $500. A standard exterior wash and interior deep clean takes roughly 90 minutes to 2 hours, and customers gladly pay anywhere from $150 to $300 for a complete package. That translates directly to an hourly rate of $75 to over $100 per hour, with huge potential for recurring bi-weekly clients. Side hustle number 2 is the smart vending machine routes. When most people picture vending machines, they imagine old, broken units selling 90-cent candy bars. But the modern vending industry has shifted completely towards smart, cashless micro-markets. Modern machines accept credit cards, Apple Pay, and mobile transactions, allowing owners to monitor inventory and sales remotely in real time on a smartphone dashboard. The strategy here is location placement. By placing smart vending machines or high-end coffee units in high-traffic, captive audience areas like auto repair, waiting rooms, gym lobbies, warehouse break rooms, and medical offices, you capture immediate impulse buys. Because you only spend 2 to 3 hours a week restocking inventory and collecting revenue across multiple machines, your actual time invested yields an extremely high effective hourly rate, frequently topping $100 an hour once your small route is established. Side hustle number 3 is the commercial and residential pressure washing. Driveways, wooden decks, patio pavers, and commercial sidewalks accumulate dirt, grime, and oil stains every single year. Most homeowners want them clean, but standard garden hoses don't have the pressure to lift embedded dirt, and buying commercial equipment doesn't make sense for a once-a-year task. This creates a massive market for pressure washing services. You can rent a professional-grade gas pressure washer for less than $100 a day, or buy a solid unit for around $400. Cleaning a standard 2-car driveway takes less than 45 minutes, and the standard market rate ranges from $150 to $250, depending on your location. The visual transformation is dramatic, making it incredibly easy to film before and after videos for local social media marketing, bringing in an endless pipeline of local homeowner leads. Side hustle number 4 is the parking lot line striping. This is one of the most hidden, under-the-radar local service businesses in existence. Every single retail strip, office building, apartment complex, and restaurant is legally required to keep clear, visible parking spaces and handicap zones for safety compliance. Over time, sun exposure, rain, and heavy traffic fade those bright yellow and white painted lines away. Paving companies charge thousands of dollars for full asphalt repaving, but business managers often just need quick-line restriping. A manual line striping machine costs under $300, along with specialized quick-drying traffic paint. A small 50-space parking lot requires about 2 hours of work, usually done after business hours, and typically bills between $300 and $600. The overhead paint costs are minimal, leaving you with massive profit margins and an effective rate easily exceeding $100 an hour. Side hustle number 5 is the trash can cleaning and sanitizing. Nobody likes touching or smelling dirty outdoor wheelie bins. Over time, bacteria, food waste, and foul odors build up in residential trash cans, making them a household chore everyone hates. While automated trash can washing trucks cost tens of thousands of dollars, starting a localized manual sanitizing service requires minimal upfront investment. Using a portable high-pressure sprayer, eco-friendly degreaser, and a deodorizing spray, you can wash, sanitize, and dry a pair of household bins in less than 10 minutes. By offering seasonal or monthly subscription plans, such as $20 per month per household, you can clean an entire neighborhood block in a single morning. Servicing 6 to 8 homes per hour yields over $100 per hour in stable, predictable, recurring subscription revenue. If you analyze all 5 of these side hustles, the common thread is clear. They skip the crowded online spaces and solve real-world, physical problems for local homeowners and businesses. They don't require expensive degrees, and they pay out almost immediately. Which of these 5 side hustles do you think has the most potential in your city? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical wealth building strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.